Okay, now let's continue for non-probability sampling technique. So first we have quota sampling, a method which ensures that certain groups are adequately represented in a study through assignment of quota. The quota fixed for each subgroup is based on the total number of each group in the population. Samples from subgroups are chosen either convenient or purposive sampling. Okay, quota sampling is very simple lah. Okay, so this one is non-probability sampling technique types. Okay, cara dia macam ni. Okay, let's say kita ada male student and female student. So I need 10 from male student and 20 from female student. Okay, so I will choose anybody from male student. Okay, and also from female student, as long as cukup lelaki dapat 10, perempuan dapat 20. Tak kisahlah siapa-siapa, regardless of the, tak ada syarat apa-apa. Janji cukup saya dapat 10 male student and 20 female student. Okay. Number 2, convenient sampling. Okay, convenient sampling ni, okay, pernah tak kalau awak pergi dekat mana-mana, contoh awak pergi dekat shopping complex lah, tiba-tiba ada orang stop awak to ask a few question. Okay, so that is mean by convenience sampling. Kebetulan awak ada pada waktu tu, so you will be selected to be asking some question lah. Okay, so that is mean by convenient sampling. Yang ketiga, judgmental sampling. Population element are selected from specific target group based on the judgment of the researcher. Okay, judgmental ni maksudnya researcher tu yang pilih. Okay, so siapa-siapa yang, okay, contohnya dia nak study berkenaan golongan gelandangan. Okay, so dia akan pergi, sama ada dia observe ataupun dia pergi interview gelandangan lah. Okay. Yang keempat, snowball sampling. Okay, snowball sampling ni maksudnya macam ni. Okay, katakan, okay, saya tanya student A berkenaan sesuatu soalan lah. Okay, and then student A, okay, dia akan approach, dia akan introduce kawan dia pula untuk jawab soalan awak. That's mean by snowball. And then yang orang yang second individual tu pula akan introduce kawan dia pula untuk jawab soalan saya. That is mean by snowball sampling. Okay, so research process. Okay, so what are the research process? You can look at the figure. Okay, first proses dia, okay, more or less the same lah, tapi mungkin basic dia lah. First, we asking the question, identifying the important factor, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the relevant information, testing the hypothesis, working with the hypothesis, reconsidering the theory, and asking the new question. So the process is akan berulang. Okay, so how to design the questionnaire? Okay, so you can look the step how to write the questionnaire. Okay, by defining the object of the survey, topic area, and specific question. So the simple guideline here, first you should use the short question. Okay, jangan tanya soalan panjang-panjang. Nanti ada orang yang tak berapa selesa. Use simple language. Tak perlu guna ayat yang terlalu bombastic. Okay, very simple, straight to the point. Okay, number 3, ask only one issue per question. Do not write question that ask about two things at once. Okay, jangan tanya banyak benda dalam satu soalan. Satu soalan, satu benda lah. Okay, for example, okay, what is your favorite food and drinks? So sepatutnya boleh separate. What is your favorite food satu, what is your favorite drinks. Jangan tanya dua soalan dalam dua benda dalam satu soalan. Okay, number 4, use the clear terms. Define terms that are not familiar to the respondents. Okay, awak kena explain. Sometimes, contohnya kalau kita pergi dekat rural area, okay, tak semua orang faham. Okay, so you need to explain. Avoid the personal question. Contoh, salary. Ada setengah orang tu dia tak mau beritahu gaji dia berapa. So jangan tanya soalan how much your income. Okay, sepatutnya awak sediakan soalan dalam bentuk pilihan. Okay, first more than 1,000, second 1,500 to 3,000. Bagi range macam tu. Okay, avoid sensitive question or words that may offend the respondent, their organisation or their ethnic group. Avoid question that require calculation to be made by respondents. Okay, contohnya kita nak tahu, okay, what is how much do you spend last month? Okay, jangan tanya soalan macam tu, bagi dia pilihan jawapan lah. Okay, less than 500 to 1,000. Okay, tak perlu lah dia nak kira kan. Okay, avoid question that require calculation. Okay dah. Number 8, use more close-ended question, minimize the use of open-ended question. Okay, close-ended ni maksudnya, contohnya kita bagi pilihan jawapan. Okay, sebab apa? To make us easy to analyze the data. So, kalau buat open-ended question, susah kita nak analyze data. Okay, there are two types of questionnaire. Kita ada open-ended and closed question. Okay. So, open-ended, ask from unprompted opinion. Okay. Boleh tanya soalan open-ended, tapi janganlah semua open-ended. Okay. Maybe ada soalan yang kita boleh, yang sesuai open. Ada soalan yang sesuai closed question. Okay, closed question ni maksudnya kita bagi dia alternatif untuk dia pilih. Okay. So, you can look example below that I have give you. Okay. And then another type of question, kita ada multi-choice, rank. Okay, rank contohnya, you are given a few brands of perfume, katakan ni. So, which one is your, did you prefer? Please rank from 1 to 3, katakan. Okay. And then kita ada Likert scale and semantic different scale. Okay. Likert scale ni contohnya, soalan dia, do you how much you agree with the statement, katakan. Okay, so please rate from 1 to 7. 1 is very disagree, 7 very agree. Macam tu lah contoh Likert scale.